Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, liquor online store website design. One client came to us like with their requirement, like they had their online store like which was built on .NET, but like they were not getting that much sales and they were not getting that many conversions. So they looked at our videos on YouTube, and then they call us and asked us like how we can improve sales and the conversions for the store. So like the first thing what we suggested them like to build their website in Shopify. Because like Shopify is like a trending platform and e-commerce platform. First thing, like we have created the design for them, like a Figma design. And because like their current website, the graphics were not that much good, and also their website was looking old actually. And like they were spending a lot of money to update the inventory or to update any section on the website. Like they had to call the developer every time to make any small little change. So we suggested them like we can build this in Shopify because it's like user friendly and they can easily update their categories. And like if they want to add any product or add any new collection, they can easily do that. So first thing, like we have created this Figma design where we have created different kind of section, the category sections. Then like we have categorized the things for them. For example, if someone is coming and they want to make an purchase for particular category product, then they can easily do that here. And then like we have created a nice footer section for them in the Figma. And we make sure like to add few things like this privacy policy, page option, then shipping and returns, because all these things are like really important, like when we have to submit our website for the GMC, the Google Merchant Center. And like it's very important to run the shopping ads as well. So after finalizing the design, like we have set up a theme in Shopify. And then in Shopify and then this new store has been created. And like we have made few like amendments as well, like when we have built this thing in Shopify. As you can see here, like these members get extra 10% offer thing, then this free delivery, send a gift, online support. So we have add these things as per the advice of our PPC team also, because like this can really help in helping the customer who is coming on the store and they need any help to use the store, like how the process work on the store. So they can easily contact the admin or the owner of the website. And then again, like we have this best seller section here, as you can see. So this was a category section. Like if someone want to look at the particular category products, they can look here. So many great features are here. For example, this quick view option, which was not there in their previous or the original the existing website. So now we have like added this option as well. So if someone want to select different size or different pack of thing, they can easily do this from the home page as well. And so the same thing like we have done on the single product page as well. Like here are the gallery images. Like so if they want to change the gallery images, as I can tell you in the next part of the video, like how they can change these gallery images and everything. So here this is the add to cart option. Then we have given this product description tab as well. So this is like more like an accordion. So first of all, it will be like closed, and if someone want to expand and want to view more information, they can easily do that thing here. And then like we have this product recommendation section as well. For example, if some products are doing good and some are not like getting that much purchase, then you can also add those products here under this product recommendation section. So this will also really helps in the increasing the sales of the products which were not doing good. And then like we have this review section here also. So like we can ask our clients or the end customers who are coming on the store, they can write their reviews, like from 1 to 5 they can put their reviews there, and these the number of reviews definitely can help in boosting the sales. So again, this is the footer section of the website. Now, like, we have made some amendments in the footer also to make it more professional. So now we are in the admin dashboard side, so you can see all the products which are already in the website. So all the products are listed here. So, and if you want to add new product, you can easily add the product from here. And the most important thing about this project was that, like, our client had like 1200 or like 1100 plus products on the previous store. So the main issue with them was like they were saying that we can't do we can't add all the products manually on the store. So in that case, like, so we have given them one solution that you can please create a CSV file or any XLSV file format, and then like we have imported all their products through the help of CSV, and all the information, either it's inventory or any category or the vendor type, all the information along with the images, like we have done that with the help of export and import feature. Here, like from here you can easily add the product, you can add title, description, images, you can add pricing, you can add, you can assign any category. If you have any particular tag, you can assign those tags as well, like we have already added these tags into the Shopify, so you can easily assign any of these tags to engage the customers more on the website and to increase the volume of the people on the store. Like we have given this option of like refer a friend and get 500 points, like we have recommended this thing to the client. So how this process basically work, like if someone is referring any of their new friend or any client and they're registering on the website, and then the existing person can get 500 points. And so for this, like so for this feature, like we have used one of the Shopify apps basically. And if you want to manage like the values of the different actions performed by the end user, we can easily do that here, and we can also activate and deactivate those things. Then like we can also manage like how many credits will be required to avail the discount or something like that. So we can do all those things here. And if we also want to set the discount type, like what kind type of discount we want to offer, we can do that thing also. Like if we want to provide a fixed amount type discount or a percentage type of discount, we can do that easily here. And we have also set a condition here that the minimum purchase amount should be like 20 CAD, and if the product is less than CAD 20, then they will not be able to use the discount or the points which they are earning. So like all these features like help our client to get like more sales and more conversions when they switch to Shopify. So if you're also looking for a new store and you have any questions and you want to increase your lead, then definitely we can help you. And like we are providing a guarantee on the leads. So if we build your store, and then our PPC team can take over the things, and like they have the best idea like which keywords can work best for you, which strategy can work good for your store, and how we can use the best PPC practices like to generate more volume of the leads and hence the quality conversions out of that. So if you have any query or any question, then definitely like feel free and contact us, or the WhatsApp number is given on the top of the screen, so you can like directly call us and we can help you in building your new Leadcore website design. And then like definitely can help you with the paid ads to generate like quality leads and hence conversions.